Chipley, Florida has several unique offerings. The highest waterfall in Florida, the newest courthouse in the southeast United States, and the biggest sale on name brands on the Gulf Coast at the WestPoint Home Bed & Bath Factory Outlet 50% off warehouse sale. WestPoint Home offers sheets, towels, comforters, pillows, and household accessories at factory outlet prices every day, all year round. But WestPoint Home is celebrating their semi-annual warehouse sale, and the prices have got to be seen to be believed. Huge discounts on some of our best values for 13 full days. Thursday, March 21st through Tuesday, April 2nd, 2024. With 50% off everything in the store and 60% off all clearance items. Get name brand designs at a fraction of the cost at the big box stores, with brand names including Southern Tide, Izod, Martex, and Velux. From luxurious absorbent towels to silky sheets, fluffy pillows, and accessories for your home, condo, or vacation getaway. Now is one of your best opportunities to give your home a spring makeover without breaking the bank. It's the WestPoint Home Bed & Bath Factory Outlet Warehouse Sale, Main Street in downtown Chipley, Florida, with 50% off everything in the store and a big 60% off all clearance items. Thursday, March 21st through Tuesday, April 2nd, 2024. Just a mile north of I-10 at exit 120, we're now open 7 days a week. And let the savings begin.